Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do a Nintendo Switch micro SD card connector replacement. As you can see, the bottom row right here has like 4 teeth missing, so it needs to be replaced. So as you can hear in the background, I already got the air going. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. Alright, so we got the connector off. We're going to need some Flux. Got to remove this old solder. Get some new solder so we can get the new connector on. Same method, using some heat from underneath. There we go. Alright, we got some Flux. Let's get some fresh solder. Alright, so, excuse me. I left it a little bit off, so I'm aiming for some surface tension. So let's see what we can get. Let's dig in. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're getting any service tension, but it's on. Alright, and that is the final outcome. Let's go ahead and bolt it up, test it out. This one's a fun one. So, surprisingly, it didn't work. Took it all apart, and for some odd reason, one of the teeth on the new connector is ripped out. So now we gotta replace it again. Fun times. Round 2, fight! A little bit of surface tension. Lower. Need one final push. I don't think we're going to get it. So I'm going to have to pull the heat off. Yeah, we're going to have to come back. I don't want to do too much heat. final outcome. I'm gonna go ahead and use a different actual SD card slot because I think that this one got tweaked or something like that. But anyhow, let's plug it in and test. Alright, and after a long bloody battle, we finally got it. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.